Hey kids, Mr. Adam here, and today we're going to show you how to make beautiful sun catchers. Most of the supplies you can find right in your own backyard.
We started off by searching our yard for supplies we could use in our sun catchers. We picked different flowers and plants that we thought would look nice.
We picked daisies, buttercups, ferns, and lavender. Maybe we should pick mom's flowers. Better not.
In order to make our sun catchers last longer, we decided to press and dry our flowers using the microwave.
We started by trimming our flowers and plants to the size we wanted.
We then placed the flowers between parchment paper and wrapped the parchment paper with paper towel. This helps absorb the moisture from the plants. We then put this in the microwave and placed a heavy dish on top to make sure the flowers stayed flat. Cook the flowers for about 60 seconds, but only for 30 seconds at a time. This will prevent the flowers from burning.
After 60 seconds, the flowers should be dry to the touch, but not falling apart.
We cut 2 pieces of clear contact paper the same size for this next part. We started by peeling one of our contact papers and placing it sticky side up on the table. We then carefully placed our flowers on the sticky side of the contact paper. Remember, there's no right or wrong spot to place your flowers. After you finish putting your plants and flowers on your contact paper, peel and stick the other piece of contact paper on top of your flowers. Make sure the 2 sticky sides go together. You might need the help of an adult with this step.
We found great little paper photo frames at our local dollar store. Once our 2 sides were firmly pressed together, we slid them into our photo frames.
We used some twine and clothespins to hang our sun catchers in the window. They turned out really nice. You don't need photo frames to do this. You can cut the contact paper whatever shape you like.
This was a very inexpensive and fun craft to do with kids of all ages, either at home or in a classroom. The best part? Most of the supplies came from nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of Mr. Adam's adventures.